it's not your responsibility. Mr.
I know.
Parks is the only one who has jail on the line. If does not have enough gumption to get himself to court, either through video or in person, you're trying to save him is just a handicap because
Welcome to What Had Happened Was.
Where we take a peek into actual court cases and give you commentary based on our unique perspective and experiences, and also give you informational tips and tricks to help you avoid a what had happened situation.
Before we get started, give us a thumbs up, a tasteful comment, subscribe to the channel to be notified of every video as they come out.
all right. So, ma'am, why are you here on behalf of Mr. Parks instead of Mr. Parks?
I'm trying to get this application to cooperate. I sent him the notification that he was supposed to come for court using Zoom, but he's not tech savvy, and neither am I. And because as you can see,
So I don't think she's his lawyer. She said she's not tech savvy and neither is he. But is he able to go on down to the courtroom savvy? Because if he couldn't do anything else, he should have went to the courtroom.
Yeah, people make it seem like if I don't have a remote now, I can't go. My legs don't work to get me to court. I can't jump on a bus or jump in my car or a
Or
cab or
something. At the
Uber or
end of the
something.
day, he could have went to court, because when they issue that bench warrant, they don't virtually arrest you.
No, they don't. Usually not.
it took a moment for me to even unmute and then come to screen where I could show video. So that may be what the problem is. He was supposed to be in on,
Where is he?
let's see, 2 o'clock.
Where is he?
He's
I don't think that's the problem. I think the problem is that he's not there. This person
I don't think. I don't know if
is not there. So unless he's
she
standing
can't
behind
hear
her,
or she's purposely trying to avoid the answering that question. I
you
don't know.
know, she doesn't understand, because unless she's his lawyer, that's the only way, in which case she would have had to say,
Actually, that's not true. Under the Constitution, you are allowed to be your own representative. You can have someone who can speak for you if they can articulate themselves and they can cite the case, or they can stand in your place and represent you. They've just gotten this technicality stuff on, oh, you got to be a lawyer. Under the Constitution, every man's afforded to be the right to be his own lawyer. So you can get anyone to represent you. It don't have to be a lawyer,
that it may not always work out, but you
but
can get anybody.
but in this instance, though, I think he needs someone there that's actually a lawyer.
Because she don't know how the app work.
working. He's working at a friend's house. They're helping put up some barns or something. Some not barns, but tool shed.
Barnes? Barnes? She said he putting up barns.
No, it's not a tool shed.
Oh, tool shed. Oh, I'm
Tool
sorry.
shed.
Tool shed. So they putting up a tool shed. So none of his friends know how the app work. So he just said, "Hey, you call in for me." Like,
The
he could have
app,
had one of his friends say,
yeah.
he should have had one of his friends do it or something,
I
or
don't think that's the
any
issue. I
or
think that the fact that building a tool shed is more important than your freedom. I think that's a clear issue of what's the word conflict of interest. Yeah, my freedom or tool shed.
he's in conflict of his own interest.
Yeah.
Okay, why didn't he know beforehand that he had trial? Or I mean, he had an appearance.
Yes, ma'am. He does know. I sent him the notification. I was trying to contact him.
Okay, so ma'am,
She sent him the notification. So last time I checked, they have like this thing where they print stuff out and they physically will mail it to your address or whatever. And or when you the last time he went to court, if this wasn't the first time he went to court, they would have said, you got to come back this date.
Alex, can I get correspondence for 200, please?
Mail
What
for
is
for 250.
what is mail for 400?
What is the postman delivers every day but Sunday?
uh, he's obviously does not give a damn about his freedom.
Oh, he got to build that tool shed.
That tool shed is more important.
Hold on a second.
Sorry.
I don't know what's worse, though. Hold on a second, or the where is he?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Hold on a second.
This judge is definitely no nonsense. This is Judge Hayward.
And she's in Clayton County, Georgia.
Mm.
And Georgia has like 70 counties. Like 70 something counties.
I don't know how many counties.
No, they have a lot of counties. Georgia has 159 counties, second only to Texas.
Which has 254 counties.
Georgia is smaller than New York and got twice as many counties.
Yeah, New York, no, yeah.
Well, maybe because all the forests and the apple trees, that's why we don't need a lot of jurisdictions.
Three times. New York has 62 counties.
This is what we women do for the men in our lives all the time. We try and fix it for them. But he's grown. And so if he knew ahead of time that he was supposed to be here, there are two options. You can come to court or you can come in by video. Either way, he should have been in court today. I don't care that he's working at somebody's house and all of that there. His responsibility was to be in court, number one. Number two, the calendar that he was on is a calendar because he has missed one or more court dates previously. It's a bench warrant bond forfeiture calendar. So he's already in bench warrant status.
So he's a habitual
Rule breaker.
Rule breaker. Not even a rule breaker, that he doesn't even go to court, because the fact that he's not going to court and he's just out building tool sheds, like how many tool sheds is he building that he didn't go to court? And then now he got her roped into this. Now he's got this lady roped into this, that she doesn't even, does she know that he missed all these court dates?
I'm pretty sure she does now.
Because is she just now finding out now? Because now she's like, well, I'm gonna go. Like, okay, but I don't know.
The bench warrant is worse than the crime, unless the crime was a felony. The bench warrant is worse than the crime itself. This is crazy.
That was for the opportunity for him to clean that up. And sending you is not going to fix it. So he's still in bench warrant status. He could be picked up at any time and returned to jail. He needs to appear with his attorney in court, in the building. Video is no longer an option for him.
To jail, which means he was already there and they let him out. And now he's just out.
I mean, they don't care where you are. You can be in the bathroom, be getting ice cream at Carvel on Wednesday when it's Sunday. They're going to come right in and go, hey, you look familiar. Hold on a second. Oh, come with us.
And then he could be on his way to pick up his children, or if he has children, or he could be at a wedding. Anything can happen. He could be somewhere where a cop just looks at him and he just don't like the way his eyelash look back at him.
Or even worse, anywhere between now and getting to that court building, he's in trouble. So he has to get to that court building and has to make it there now, ASAP, like yesterday. You better put that hammer down before the hammer gets put down on him.
I beg your pardon, ma'am. Apologies and no disrespect. To my knowledge, he doesn't even have a lawyer.
Okay, but he needs to show up.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm trying to reach him. I've been trying to see if he would activate the Zoom. I've been trying to explain to him he has to come in through Zoom, but I haven't received any response from him. So
that means he doesn't care whether he goes to jail or not. If you're sending text messages, he knows he has court today. He knows he has to be in court today. He went to go be John Henry with a hammer today and build a shed instead of driving steel. He should have gone that iron horse and got himself down to that courthouse or a bus or Uber or something. So if he doesn't get back to you, he doesn't care about his freedom or being incarcerated. Now let's get back on the record.
I'm actually surprised that I was able to even come over on Zoom at this point, because I'm trying desperately. Like I said, I didn't even know. I realized the time and I realized the date like at 1:24 and realized that we were.
How old is Mr. Parks, ma'am?
And realized we were over.